The work culture here is a collaborative environment where program managers solicit input from employees at all levels. From the vice president on down, I feel like I've got some input and I've got some say, and they sincerely listen to my opinion about the best way to go about a particular task.
My team within global government sector is a very small group. We're very close. We do a lot of things outside of work, and I enjoy that team environment.
I work with the client directly on site. Working with them, I help them think through their big ideas to bring it down to more smaller, obtainable objectives so they can reach their big goals.
One of the aspects of a consultancy is diversity of thought and innovation. I can't tell you that there has been a problem that we have addressed that has not required innovation. Everything is about innovation. It's taking prior experience with a problem with a similar pattern and applying it to a new problem that hasn't been addressed in a similar fashion before.
The thing I like the most about the work that I do is that it has direct, observable results that you can see in the real world. If I see a ship in some port, I know that either ABS Bureau or ABS Group has had a noticeable or a huge hand in keeping that ship safe.
The work culture here is very collaborative, very team-oriented, a lot of high energy. We have people who are flexible and dynamic, and they're able to work together as a team to solve some of the difficult problems that our customers have.
I think the work we do is challenging, and it's hard. If it was easy, everybody would do it. And because it's not easy, we have to work together.
I absolutely find the work here fun and challenging. It changes every day. It's based on what the client needs. It's based on what we can provide, and sometimes we get to innovate and come up with something new.
At the government agency that I support, they're responsible for reducing the risk of the transportation of hazardous materials in America. So we provide support to them in a number of ways: the development of standard operating procedures and the development of inspection planning tools to ensure that those hazardous material risks in travel are reduced.
Here at ABSG, I work with our global governance sector group, working with the FEMA team, supporting them in developing training materials for actuarial software that models natural hazard risks to communities. So I work on both the training material creation and the project management for those projects.
I think the work that I do is very fun and challenging. Challenging, helping the Coast Guard with various regulatory projects, helping the Coast Guard develop safety and security practices and policies. The other challenging part is continuing to ensure as a manager that all of my ABS Group employees are well supported and have everything that they need to do the project task.
The work that we do is really important to the customer and helping them meet their mission. We're often focused on helping different agencies that have a mission of saving lives or protecting property. So everything we do is really in service of that, and I think that's really important. It's why I wake up every day and come to work, is this bigger mission of helping the federal government do their job and protect the nation.
When I first came in the office, it was just the people that welcomed me into the office, and seeing their catalog. My applied physics degree is in Homeland Security Science, so I already wanted to be in Homeland Security, and I saw that they were already integral to Department of Homeland Security and in some of their projects, and I wanted to just add on to their catalog and help with build that initiative up.
What attracted me to ABS Group was that we aren't just trying to find the flashy viral solution that we can write about and say, look at the thing we did, and then not use it ever again. We're interested in building a sustainable solution that 5-10 years down the line, our clients are still using it. It's still exactly what they needed yesterday, and it will be what they need tomorrow.
I became aware of ABS Group about 11 years ago, and the first thing that struck me about ABS Group was it was the largest collection of really smart people working for one company. I'd never run across so many people with such strong technical backgrounds and really dedicated to the mission.
Working at ABS Group really offers a lot of flexibility, and I was able to move from Houston to Washington, D.C., which was very important in my life.